Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your active YouTube Premium account, and when it renews, that timing matters. Next, buy a Google Play or YouTube gift card for the extension you want, physical or digital works. Once purchased, sign into the exact Google account tied to your subscription. Make sure family sharing won't block redemption. These steps get everything ready so payment applied from the gift card will be used to extend your subscription when you redeem it. Now redeem the gift card in Google Play or the YouTube account menu. Use exact credentials to place credit into that account's balance. Once the balance shows, verify it's the same account linked to Premium. This is crucial so Google charges that balance at renewal. If autopay is on, the system will draw from Play balance. If not, enable autopay or set a manual reminder for the renewal date. Doing this makes sure your subscription is funded when YouTube bills. Finish by checking your YouTube subscription page to confirm the next charge will use the redeemed Play balance. The status should reflect funded renewal. If a charge fails, add another payment method or redeem additional balance immediately, then retry. If the balance isn't applied, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, and double-check account email and family settings. If problems persist, contact Google support with your gift card code and purchase receipt to resolve the extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.